You're not tired for tech news, right? Hello everyone and welcome to Newstown Mini. I'm your host Harris and today we got some juicy news. Let's get started. Wow! Vivo India just got $58 million seized after a massive money laundering scandal. What the f***? The Enforcement Directorate of India just carried out searches for 40 locations of Vivo India, and the state agency revealed details about the probe. According to an official press release, the company transferred over 62,000 crore to China. That's nearly $8 billion. And yeah, during the investigation, the ED seized 119 bank accounts with 465 crore, that's $58 million, as well as some other things. The ED also revealed the amount of money funneled to China is about half of all the sales Vivo India made, which was done to avoid Indian tax. And even those Vivo India directors, Zheng Xuan and Shang Jie, fled the country as the directorate revealed some more info. So yeah, this is quite a scandal. But don't worry, we got bonus news. GameStop just laid off a bunch of staff and fired their CFO in hope to continue their journey on the blockchain world. The US game retailer GameStop has fired Mike Recupero, its CFO, and begun laying off an unspecified number of staff. And yeah, in an internal memo leaked to Reddit, CEO Matt Furlong wrote that
change will be always constant as we evolve our commerce business and launch new products through our blockchain group.
So they are really banking on this crypto thing with their newly announced NFT marketplace and a crypto wallet earlier this year. Totally what a game retailer needs. And this is pretty sad as you know crypto is dying and their stock just went down right when this news hit. Unfortunately, we ran out of news. So you gotta come back on Monday for more juicy tech news like this one and subscribe so you won't miss it. Cool, see ya!